Let's be real. Learning advanced robotics can be a serious grind. The textbooks are super dense, the tech is crazy complex, and finding help when you're stuck? Yeah, good luck with that. But what if we could completely flip that script? Today, we're diving into an AI-native learning ecosystem that's built to make mastering humanoid robotics not just possible, but actually intuitive.
I want you to imagine something. What if your textbook wasn't just a static document talking at you, but was a living thing that could talk with you? A book that could understand your questions, know what you're working with, and actually adapt to how you learn. Well, that's not science fiction anymore. That's the core idea behind what we're looking at right now.
So everything in this ecosystem, all the cool AI stuff, is built on one thing: a seriously world-class curriculum. Because, without a rock-solid foundation of knowledge, all the fancy AI in the world is just a gimmick. This isn't just any textbook. It's a deep dive guide to the absolute cutting edge of humanoid robotics.
And the main focus here is a field called Embodied Intelligence. It's a pretty fascinating concept. Think about it this way. A huge language model has this incredible digital brain, but it can't, pick up a cup of coffee. Embodied intelligence is all about bridging that gap, giving AI a physical body so it can finally interact with the world and turn all those digital thoughts into actual, real-world actions.
And check out this learning path. It's been so carefully designed to take you from zero to hero. You start with the fundamentals, literally building the robot's nervous system using ROS2. Then you level up to creating a digital twin for safe simulations before developing the AI brain with NVIDIA's Isaac Sim. And it all leads up to this awesome capstone project where you put it all together. It's how you go from theory to actually building a thinking, acting robot.
And look, this isn't just abstract theory. We're talking about a deep dive into the exact industry-standard tools that are being used out in the real world right now. When you master tech like ROS2, which is basically the operating system for robots, and NVIDIA Isaac Sim, you're not just learning concepts, you're getting hands-on, in-demand skills.
Okay, so we've got this amazing curriculum. That's part one. But how do we make it truly come alive? Well, the next step is to give the textbook a brain. And this is where a static document gets transformed into a dynamic learning partner, one that's right there with you every step of the way.
The magic behind this is a technology called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG for short. Now here's the absolutely crucial part. This AI is only allowed to pull its answers from the textbook itself. That means no more AI hallucinations or just making stuff up. Every single answer is fact-checked against the source material, which is a total game changer for technical learning.
All right, let's see how this actually works. Imagine you're deep into a chapter, and you come across a sentence like this. It's pretty dense, describing the VLA pipeline. Maybe you get the general idea, but you have a really specific question about one little part of it. Normally, you'd be stuck, right? But with this system, you just highlight the text you're confused about and ask your question. It is literally like having a personal expert tutor on call 24/7, ready to give you instant clarification on anything.
So you highlight that sentence and you ask a super targeted question. Based on this text, which part of the VLA pipeline handles planning? You're not Googling it, you're not digging through forums hoping for an answer, you're asking the source directly.
And boom, just like that, there's your answer. The AI instantly scans the text you selected and gives you a perfectly clear, accurate response. That is the power of RAG in action. This isn't just some novelty chatbot. It's a powerful tool that helps you truly master these complex topics.
So we have a top-tier curriculum and an intelligent AI assistant. That's already incredible, but this ecosystem goes one massive step further. The final layer here is all about personalization. It's about creating a learning experience that is uniquely tailored to you.
For way too long, education has been this one-size-fits-all thing, which, let's be honest, usually means one size fits none. We all learn differently, we have different gear, different skill levels. This system actually gets that. It delivers a personalized path that adapts to you, making the whole experience just better and way more effective.
So how's it do it? Well, when you sign up, it just asks a few quick questions. What's your skill level? What kind of hardware are you running? A big GPU or maybe an NVIDIA Jetson? It then uses that info to totally customize the content. The exercises match your skill level, the code examples work for your specific hardware. It's a simple idea, but the impact it has on your learning is just huge.
So when you put all this together, a world-class curriculum, a brilliant AI assistant, and a truly personalized learning path, you get something much, much more than just a textbook. What you really get is a clear glimpse into the future of education, A future where learning is smarter, more engaging, and just flat out more effective. It really boils down to these three powerful layers of AI technology working together. You've got the core curriculum, the intelligent RAG assistant that sits on top, and the personalization engine that wraps around the whole thing. It's a perfect example of the whole being so much greater than the sum of its parts.
You know, this isn't just an evolution. It feels more like a revolution in learning. It's setting a completely new standard for what technical education can and should be. It shows us the incredible power of AI to not just teach us, but to unlock our own potential in ways we're just beginning to understand. And a project like this is really just the beginning, isn't it? I mean, just imagine a world where every single textbook, for every subject, is this smart, this interactive, and this personal. What kind of breakthroughs could we make then? What new skills could we all master? The future of learning is definitely here, and honestly, it's way more exciting than I think any of us ever imagined.